until 6 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pioneer, Oregon, 7 miles north of Montpelier, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hudson around 5:10 p.m. Morenci and Clayton around 5:15 p.m. Adrian around 5:30 p.m. Blissfield around 5:40 p.m. Deerfield and Riton around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tipton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: